In today's video, I show you how to create stunning gradient text with an outline in Canva. This trick instantly makes your designs pop, and it's much easier than you think. Start by searching for type gradient in Canva's apps section. Once you find it, click to activate. Now type in your text, and this is where the fun begins. You can apply vibrant gradient colors. Play around with different blends until you get that perfect look that matches your design style. After you're happy with your gradient, just click Add to Design, and your text, complete with an outline, will drop right into your project. From here you can resize, reposition, or even layer it with other effects to make it stand out even more. This little Canva trick works great for posters, social media posts, and anything that needs extra flair. So experiment with different fonts, colors, and gradients to see what works best. And that's it. You've just created eye-catching gradient text with an outline in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Canva hacks.